Morning, Professor. The Right now I'm gonna explain the assignment 3, which is our house price prediction. This is my student ID written over here. This is my name. Okay, we are importing the necessary libraries as I mentioned in the comments. As you have also mentioned in the assignment that we have to mention all the codes with the 3-4 lines of comments for the better understanding, and that we have understood the logic as well as how to build an data learning application, machine learning application, sorry. So step 1 is to load and visualize the data, loading, training and testing dataset from CSV files. Okay, so right now we are loading the training and testing dataset from CSV file, which we have already over here. After that, let me just in this cell I have showed that displaying the first few rows of training data to understand the printing data overview. So when I run it will give me the output of this. Okay, so these are the data set of our train data dot head. Okay, so as you can see it run. Now applying log transformation to sales price to normalize it. Okay, so we have log sale price equal to sale price. We have applying the transformation to sale price. All right, okay, next we clean the data. No, next we visualize the log transferred sale price. Okay, so I have added one chart in that it will show the distribution of log sales price, the frequency and the log sales price. Okay, so let's move to the next step, which is processing and feature engineering. Okay, so in this we drop columns with too many missing values. Okay, and fill the remaining I guess, just a second. So in our thing we have threshold of we are dropping the missing data, which have a threshold of 0.2. Okay, this ensures that model does not get biased by missing data. Okay, so filling remaining values with the median for numeric columns only. Okay, now selecting the features for simplicity. So as you can see, I have selected some features like this. Okay, for the simplicity, let me just also run it, so it shows that my code is working properly. Okay, let me move on to our other feature engineering, which is our step 3. We then select the relevant numerical feature, okay, that we have selected in this, and splitting the data into training and validation steps. Okay, as you can see, I have split the data into training and validation sets. Okay, after that, in the step 4, we train our model using using a rich regression model. Okay, so this is type of a linear regression that helps prevent overfitting. We split the data into training and validation sets to evaluate the model's performance. So after the training happen, okay, we evaluate the model using the root mean, uh, here it is, sorry, root mean square log error. Okay, or we can say RMSLE, it doesn't matter, it's just the same. Okay, now let's validate it. When we validate it, let me just run it as well. So where we were, okay, let me go 1 2 3 4 and then predicting the validation sets. Okay, it will validate it, and now in the final step it will create a submission.csv file, which is right over here. It is created right now. I've already run it, that's why it's not showing it, and I also posted it in the submissions as well, my Kaggle, that the score is also below 0.3. so this is all for that this is my assignment 3 that I've done for now. Thank you so much, Professor. Have a good day.